Dear ladies and gentlemen, I'm the business manager, Kings. Now I'm located at the steel storage area of Classic Group. If there's no special requirements, our channel uses high quality steel such as Q235 and 355, and a supplier of all large states well-known steel factory in China. When special customization is required, our raw material will be purchased in the strict accordance with your project standard. After the raw material arrives at our factory, we will start the qualification inspection process as soon as possible, using the professional testing instrument to check the quality of each batch of raw material and ensure the stability of storage environment. We will be rigorous attitude into every link of production, excellence beyond expectation. Details always showing the true facts. Thank you for watching.